EV-Link Cast. Turn your tablet into a smart home control panel. In EV-Link Cast, we can control our smart devices from the customized dashboard. We can create up to 5 customized dashboards. Creating this dashboard is very easy. We just need to drag and drop the devices in the web page of EV-Link. Don't worry, I will show you how to do that. And also we can set pin code to this dashboard to avoid unauthorized access. Let's create a customized dashboard. First of all, go to EV-Link web dashboard. Then click on cast menu on the left. Then click on this plus icon. From here select the devices and scene for the cast dashboard. In the device section, my Sonoff device is not available. The reason is cast feature is the beta program of EV-Link which is not completely developed. That's why my Sonoff device is not shown here, which means Sonoff POW Elite is not eligible for the cost as per now. But we can add the scene in the cast dashboard that we have created earlier in the video. It is totally on you which device and scene you want to add in the cast dashboard. Here I selected my both of the scene. Now set the pin code for this cast dashboard. After that click on save button. Oops, here we need to give the name of this dashboard. Let me give a name of this dashboard. I am giving it EV-Link Cast. You can give any name you want. It is just a name. After that click on save button. To access this cast dashboard, we need to open this link where we want to access this customized dashboard. Let me copy this link and paste in my iPad. Here I open the EV-Link Cast in my iPad. First of all, you need to log in here. Use same email ID and password that you used to make account on the EV-Link app. Let me enter my email ID and password. As you can see, a dashboard is available here that we have created in the EV-Link web. To access this cast dashboard, we need to enter the pin code that we set earlier. Here both the scene are available. Here we can easily control our devices from this scene. Let me show you. I am able to control my devices from this cast dashboard. For me, this is one of the best feature of EV-Link Advanced Plan. Many of you have thinking, what is the benefit of using this cast dashboard? Even when we can control devices from the EV-Link app as well as from the EV-Link web dashboard. So what is the need of this cast dashboard? Let me tell you. If you see carefully in the cast dashboard, you have only two scenes and nothing. That means if we want to give control of the any particular device, not all, to a particular user, we can give that control through EV-Link Cast. Here we are giving only control of the devices, not the control of settings. This feature is useful if we want to give control to kids but you don't want to give the access of settings and all.